Yeah, no, that's the way. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh, I didn't know there was a flashlight in there.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Ooh. Ghost stories. That's a clip.
In Halloween. Wow. Interesting.
YouTube.
Yeah. And
We gather here tonight.
yes.
Listen to the stories of ghosting. Yeah. That looks pretty cool.
Yeah, well, that's good. Well, I'm glad that there is no monsters.
Yeah. Oh, that is cool. Dude, how did it get that saturated?
I have no idea.
Well, I think it's because, so like iPhone, everything's all bright and then they focus into what it is.
Okay.
So I took it right as it was doing it. So watch. This is why I was doing that. Darkness. Right. Just. Oh, that's blurry, but.
Okay.
See?
There's another
Taking photos?
There's another light in here. Oh, wow. I had the smoke fluid there.
Yeah.
Smoking just to see
I'm going to turn it off now.
Well, I'd like to see it do that.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, the trouble is it stinks the place out after we run it back.
That's funny. Right there for me. Which number is the smoke?
Sorry?
Which number is the smoking?
7.
Oh, really? I don't think any on my Pennsylvania steam locomotive has the one like that. There it goes. Oh yeah. Once you cross over to the red line. Oh, excuse me. Ow.
I'm busy.
Whoa! Oh no!
Whoa! So those are brand new? Oh, shit.
Yeah, but I checked the
no.
couplers and the wheel gap and all that
That
stuff.
is not good.
And I landed on top of a couple of Wayne's cars.
I don't think I can get that.
Here comes the other Super Chief.
At least it was like a 5-inch
That's not a good way to go.
rather than a 5-foot one.
Whose train just ran into that locomotive?
Oh, Richard's locomotive off, Cameron run into Richard's locomotive.
And did you hear the coaches tumble up?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think I can't.
That was Duncan's train.
Oh no! Yeah, it was Duncan's
Do you
train.
know why that fell off?
Nope. I think it might have got pinched in the guide rail. Not sure though. I've had trouble there before, not with these cars, but a different stuff.
A low trip pit maybe?
What?
I'm trying to get A and B.
Did I buy your oil?
No, they do circuit boards for medical.
Yeah.
But the thing is, they found out the boxes they ship their stuff in, those are the boxes.
Oh, really?
That's the only train that's had problems there, right?
Passenger train fell off.
The PPWA line boxes, but I didn't really like them. Plus, you had to put them together yourself.
Yeah.
Which
Well, I don't like
goes against my laziness principle.
your phone keys fell on the floor.
Thanks, sir. The gentleman is scholar.
I want to go train jumping soon.
I bought it at a hobby shop a long time ago.
We follow this thing into the yard and then set up rerunning.
Do you need it?
Bring it on. Go.
The problem is it's got a decoder in there, but every time I try and program it, it just says, "Oh, there's no motor." That's I don't know.
Once I started doing that, I don't know what was open. You know, it started running.
But yeah, it was all the pricing. It was like 2 something. Or no, not 2 something.
Because I was surprised how much
Yeah, these
dirt.
are about $100.
I'm good with my non-bet ones.